Hey everybody, Turf Tech here. I got Josh on camera, and as part of our gun safety series today I'm going to show you how to safety check a modern revolver with a swing out cylinder. Okay, some revolvers that they're making today are the old single six models. I mean they're single action. You have to cock the hammer each time you fire, and the way you safety check those is a little bit different. But most revolvers being manufactured today are like this revolver right here. This is a Smith Wesson K-frame in 38 special, snub nose, great little gun, and very easy to safety check. In order to safety check it, okay, from the get-go, right as we get the gun out, we're going to remember the three basic safety rules of firearms. Okay, there are some others, but these three basic rules will keep us safe 99% of the time. The first rule is every gun is loaded until you yourself have checked it. The second rule, keep your finger out of the trigger guard area until you've taken aim and you're ready to fire. And the third rule, never point a gun at anything you're not willing to destroy. So we're going to keep those rules in mind, and we're going to, there's this little switch, this little lever here on the side of the firearm. Okay, on most of these it will be on the left side of the firearm so that people who are right-handed can actuate it with their right thumb. Some models will be different. And we're going to press that forward, and then we're going to push, and okay, the whole cylinder will rotate out, and now we can look into each cylinder and we can see that they're all empty. Okay, if there were rounds in there and you wanted to get them out, you can turn the firearm at an angle about like this. Okay, and if they don't just fall out, this top piece is a plunger. Okay, on pretty much all of them, and you can press that down, and it's got this little ejector piece at the bottom that will push all the rounds out. Okay, now one other note on these, and that is, since I've got this open anyway, you will see people who want to look like they know what they're doing with guns in movies and stuff. They will load up, okay, these 6 chambers, and then in order to put the cylinder back into the revolver, they'll flick their wrist sideways, and this whole thing will flip up into the frame. Never do that. Okay, that's a sign of someone who doesn't know what they're doing with a firearm. Okay, you'll get away with that sometimes, but that can cause indexing problems. It can make it so that these cylinders don't line up with your bore and don't line up with your hammer, and can cause all sorts of problems. Okay, so when you're done loading, just use your left hand and press that up into there. Okay, and you'll be totally ready to go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and stay safe.